The next questions want us to find the exact solution of the exponential equation in terms of logarithms, and then find the decimal approximation rounded to 3 decimal places. So if we look at number 17, it really looks like the questions that we've already been doing. So these are not the same base. But in all of the previous problems, we were able to get them both to be the same base. And there's no way that I can do this. So I cannot express 15 as 4 raised to some power, and I can't use 2 to express both of these either. So we can't get the same base. So the techniques that we were using on the previous problems, we can't do that here. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to take the logarithm of both sides. So this is going to be log of 4 raised to the x is equal to log of 15. So just like you're allowed to take the square root of both sides, just like you're allowed to square both sides, you are allowed to take the logarithm as long as you take it of both sides. And the advantage to this is that with logarithms, we're allowed to bring exponents down to the main level. And we're only allowed to do that with logarithms. So looking at this part right here, now that there's a log there, you can bring that x down to the main level using the power rule. So this is x times log of 4 is equal to log of 15. And then I can solve for x. So if you divide both sides by log of 4, and log of 4 is just a number, then x is equal to log of 15 over log of 4. And if you want to put the parentheses, you can. And this would be your exact answer. To get the decimal approximation, I want to type this into my calculator. So I'm going to do log of 15 divided by log of 4. And they wanted me to round it to 3 decimal places. So this is approximately 1.953.